Today I'll be learning how to use Chrome using the internet. If you do not have the application, it usually comes with your phone in a Google folder. But if you do not have one, you can download it via App Store. Since I'm using an Android phone, we'll go to Google Play Store and you can download it. After download, it usually lands on the home page of your phone or inside the Google Apps folder. Just look for it and then click on it. The application name is Chrome. Click on it to open it. Check if your internet connection is on, whether you're using data or Wi-Fi. Make sure it's connected to your phone. Chrome uses Google as a search engine, so it will take you to Google. You can just then type in what you want. So today we are going to type how to use the internet. After you hit the enter button at the bottom corner usually of your keyboard there, that's your enter button. So you type whatever you want to type and you enter. So my phone, since this is my first time using the application, my phone is asking for permissions to do other things like record for accessibility for those who do not know how to type or who do not want to type or who cannot type. You can just use your voice command on the keyboard. So I just said the same sentence again. How do I use the internet? And the phone typed on its own using my voice. You can also use the camera to search for things. Take a picture of what you want to search for. For example, I took a picture of this tiled floor, so it's going to bring out pictures that are related to the picture that I'm searching for. There's also a toolbar at the top of the website where you can search via any type of media. So there's AI mode or videos, short videos, images, forums, news, web, books, maps, finance, and others. So if you want to use, if you are searching for videos only, just click on, type your question, then click on videos. It will take you to the videos. Right now I'm using AI mode, is highlighted there. So it's giving me search through AI, search results through AI. Then you can even use books, and it will give you books that have anything to do with the question you've asked. Since we've asked how to use the internet, it will give us books. Videos, it will give us videos that have to do with the internet, from YouTube, from Pinterest, from Facebook, from Instagram, anywhere where there's media uploaded that has to do with the question that I've asked of it. So just play around with it. Don't be afraid to click. If it takes you back to somewhere that you don't understand, just click back, just go back to your original search. But also be careful not to get lost in the rabbit hole, because with the internet you might end up all the way over there when you started just here. So just be careful and focus on what you are looking for. Unless you are just playing around, then I run with it. It also has more news forums that you can click on. So if you want to look for things on the internet but you only want information from the newspapers and news outlets, just click on news over there. And forums, yes, Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, all those forums that are used for discussions. Like you have a lot of options. Like I shown before, this is how you use the books part. It will give you books. For example, that one that says Law of the Internet, page 635, is probably a topic. So it will point you to the right books for the right topic that you are searching for. Usually the top part is the most accurate. Then the bottom part of the suggestions are just suggestions. But still, it's useful when you are researching a topic and you don't want to go through a lot of books. You just need to go to the page number and find your information.